Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the age eligibility for the Ayushman Vaya Vandana card? 60 years and above, 70 years and above, 75 years and above, or 65 years and above? The correct answer is option B, 70 years and above. The Ayushman Vaya Vandana card is specifically designed for senior citizens who are 70 years or older, ensuring they receive free healthcare benefits under the scheme. Next question, what is the total value of the projects that PM Modi inaugurated at the Statue of Unity? Rupees 160 crore, Rupees 284 crore, Rupees 500 crore, or Rupees 100 crore? The correct answer is option B, Rupees 284 crore. PM Modi laid the foundation and inaugurated projects worth Rupees 284 crore, highlighting the government's commitment to development in the region surrounding the Statue of Unity. Next question, what architectural style do the Konark wheels represent? Kalinga architecture, Indo-Saracenic architecture, Mughal architecture, or Gothic architecture? The correct answer is option A, Kalinga architecture. The Konark wheels are significant examples of Kalinga architecture, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship of ancient Indian builders. Next question, what recent classification has the IUCN given to the African penguin? Vulnerable, endangered, extinct, or critically endangered? The correct answer is option D, critically endangered. The IUCN has uplisted the African penguin to critically endangered, indicating an extremely high risk of extinction in the wild due to significant population declines. Next question, where will NASA astronauts land during the Artemis III mission? Lunar South Pole, Lunar North Pole, Lunar Equator, or Mare Tranquillitatis? The correct answer is option A, Lunar South Pole. NASA has selected the Lunar South Pole as the landing site for astronauts during the Artemis III mission, marking it as an unexplored area by humans. Next question, what percentage of tree species worldwide are currently at risk of extinction according to the IUCN's Global Tree Assessment? 25%, 30%, 38%, or 50%? The correct answer is option C, 38%. The assessment reveals that 38% of the world's tree species are threatened with extinction, highlighting a significant conservation concern. Next question, how many diseases are covered by the Standard Veterinary Treatment Guidelines or SVTGs? 100, 200, 300, or 274? The correct answer is option D, 274. The guidelines include treatment protocols for a total of 274 diseases affecting various livestock and poultry species. Next question, what is the name of China's upcoming fourth manned mission to its space station? Shenzhou-18, Shenzhou-19, Shenzhou-20, or Shenzhou-21? The correct answer is option B, Shenzhou-19. The mission known as Shenzhou-19 is set to replace the current Crew Abroad China's space station. Next question, which fund will cover the expenses related to the ex-gratia payments for heat wave deaths? Central Disaster Relief Fund, State Disaster Relief Fund, National Health Fund, or Emergency Relief Fund? The correct answer is option B, State Disaster Relief Fund. The expenses for the ex-gratia payments will be borne under the state disaster relief as per the government's order. Last question, who established Raigad Fort as the capital of the Maratha Empire? Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Aurangzeb, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, or Colonel Prothar? The correct answer is option C, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj established Raigad Fort as the capital of the Maratha Empire after seizing it in 1656. Now is the time for practice question. What new portal was launched alongside the Ayushman Bharat expansion to enhance health services? Health India portal, UWIN portal, Ayushman card portal or digital health portal? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.